What you doing?
I sit in with my monkey.
You're sitting with your monkey in the fire truck?
Yes.
Whoa!
Close the door.
You want me to close the door?
Yes.
Can we close the door? Okay, I'm going to close the door. Aubrey's sitting in the fire truck. Oh, bye-bye! Look who's there in the fire truck. Hi! What you doing? Are you sitting there in the fire truck? You're in the fire truck?
Oh,
Oh, who's over there?
that's Santiago.
Oh, Santiago's driving the fire truck. Hi, Santiago.
Hi.
Whoa!
Cierra la puerta.
Oh no, he's driving the fire truck. Hi, Santiago.
Hey, Abby. What do you have in your hand? I have a monkey. Oh, what? Who's right there, huh?
Who's right there? Who's that?
Ian.
That's right, that's Ian.
Who's right there?
Who's that?
Daddy.
That's your daddy. Aubrey, are you driving the fire truck or is Santiago driving the fire truck?
Santiago and Aubrey really ride it really fast.
Santiago and Aubrey are riding in the fire truck?
Yeah.
Whoa, that looks like fun. Santiago's getting out of the fire truck now. Okay, Abby, see you later. Bye.